So you say you wanna get away. We don't need a plane, I could be your escape.
Little lounging area. So this is Girls Trip Essex Fest 2018. So this is Jay, the bestie, aka Granny. Say hey to the vlog.
Hi guys.
And this is Shay. Hey. So we're eating at PF Chang's. Just got our food. Let's pick it up. I have the eggplant stir fry and spring rolls. She has shrimp fried rice and the shrimp compound. Chicken shrimp. And then she has the agave margarita. But tell them what is it called? What did you say it was called?
I can't even remember.
A Gavai margarita. Never heard of it. Then I think this is like the blood dragon, something like that, with chia seeds in it. Got some flip-flops.
You were looking for somewhere to get a daiquiri?
Yeah. Got Jay. And we're just exploring today, sightseeing, being tourists in New Orleans. Ooh, it's hot. Is it hot? Are on what? No, we're not on Bourbon Street. We're about to walk to Bourbon Street.
I could get some inspiration from my sister.
Dance. Hey, 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 hey.
They have like all stuff like all around it.
She told you to come on, Jay. dressed, getting ready to head to Bourbon Street. Walk around, maybe hit up some clubs there. I haven't really been closing out the vlogs daily. So when you see this, it may or may not be all over the place because I've just been more so enjoying myself during Essence Festival, having a good time, and less picking up the camera because it is the first year for all of us going. So yeah, just an FYI. But I'm gonna try to vlog a little bit tonight when we get on Bourbon. I know I already have some footage from vlogging on Bourbon like the first night, but I want to try to get like some more for you guys. But yeah, I decided to go with a blue eye look. I feel like it complements the gold in my hair, and then just the basic nude lip, and then the black outfit. She out here eating this cold ass bread with this cold ass butter. She speared it on there like this shit was about to melt. Listen, that's how bread look when you about to make French toast before you put it in the oven. You got that butter on that bread.